238 to 389 horsepower. Range, 250 to 300 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. Charging, 80% charge in 40 minutes. Tech features include Nissan's Pro Pilot Assist, large touchscreen interface, and wireless Apple CarPlay. The Nissan Ariya offers a seamless driving experience, combining efficiency, style, and advanced tech in one practical package. Ford's Mustang Mach-E brings the iconic Mustang performance to the world of electric vehicles. The 2025 model is even more refined with enhanced range and performance features. Power, 346 horsepower for the standard range. Range, 300 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds for the GT version. Charging, 80% in 45 minutes with fast charging. Interior features modern design with large touchscreen, customizable drive modes, and spacious cargo space. The Mustang Mach-E delivers thrilling performance, legendary Mustang heritage, and cutting-edge technology in a fully electric package. The Audi Q4 e-tron is a luxury compact SUV designed for those seeking style, practicality, and advanced electric technology. With its sleek design and impressive performance, it stands out in the premium EV market. Power, 295 horsepower. Range, 250 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. Charging, 80% in 35 minutes. Interior features high-quality materials, Audi's MMI infotainment system, and a spacious premium cabin. Audi's Q4 e-tron is the perfect combination of luxury, technology, and practicality, making it a strong contender in the luxury electric SUV market. Electric vehicles in 2025 are becoming more efficient, smarter, and more eco-friendly, with major advancements in battery technology and autonomous driving features. Improved battery efficiency provides longer ranges and faster charging times, reducing range anxiety and downtime. New fast charging technology enables 80% charge in under 30 minutes. More vehicles are featuring advanced driver assistance systems, moving towards full autonomy. The electric vehicle revolution is at its peak, with 2025 set to be a defining year for the industry. From faster charging to longer driving ranges, and from groundbreaking autonomous technology to sustainable production practices, electric vehicles are no longer just a niche market, they are the future of transportation. In this video, we'll explore the key innovations in EVs for 2025, spotlight the top models, and dive into what's next for electric mobility. Tesla's Model 3 continues to be one of the world's best-selling electric vehicles, and the 2025 version is packed with improvements that enhance its performance and appeal. With Tesla's renowned autopilot technology and continuous software updates, the Model 3 remains at the cutting edge of electric cars. Power, 450 horsepower performance model. Range, 370 miles on a single charge. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Supercharger network, 80% charge in just 22 minutes, with more than 25,000 charging stations globally. Audi's e-tron GT is a stunning electric sports sedan that fuses high performance with eco-friendly driving. This all-electric luxury sedan brings the world of motorsport to your daily commute, offering sleek design, exhilarating performance, and top-notch luxury. Power, 590 horsepower RS version. Range, 238 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. The Audi e-tron GT delivers power, precision, and performance, combining the beauty of a sports car with the practicality of a family sedan. Honda's Prologue EV is the brand's entry into electric SUVs, offering a great combination of practicality, comfort, and eco-friendly driving. Designed for families and those looking for an affordable EV, the Prologue offers 340 horsepower and 280 miles range. The Rivian R1T is a true pioneer in electric pickup trucks, designed for adventure with off-road capabilities that rival traditional gas-powered trucks. With 835 horsepower from its quad-motor system and 11,000 pounds towing capacity, the R1T brings unmatched versatility to the EV world. The range of EVs in 2025 is increasing rapidly, with many models now offering over 300 miles per charge, making long trips more convenient. EVs are becoming smarter with Level 3 and Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities. Some cars can already park themselves and handle complex city traffic. Charging stations are becoming more abundant with super-fast charging stations, enabling 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Solid-state batteries expected to hit the market in 2025 will make charging even faster, improve battery life, and increase energy density. More cars will feature full autonomy by 2025, with vehicles capable of handling urban environments, highway driving, and parking without human intervention. With expanded charging networks and sustainable materials, the electric vehicles of 2025 are faster, smarter, and more eco-friendly than ever before. The future of electric vehicles is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. As we approach 2025, the electric vehicle market is set to experience its most transformative year yet. With cutting-edge technology, faster charging capabilities, and longer driving ranges, electric cars are becoming the mainstay of the automotive industry. In this video, we'll explore the top electric cars of 2025, what innovations are driving the industry, and why the future of driving is electric. Tesla's Cybertruck is one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of 2025. Known for its futuristic design, rugged off-road capabilities, and insane performance, it's changing the game for electric trucks. Power, up to 800 horsepower in the tri-motor version. Range, 500+ miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds for the tri-motor version. Towing capacity, 14,000 pounds. Tech features include bulletproof exoskeleton, armor glass, autopilot, and full self-driving capabilities. Tesla's Cybertruck is not just an electric truck, it's a new kind of vehicle altogether, blending extreme durability with high-tech features. The Mercedes-Benz EQB is an all-electric compact SUV that combines luxury with practicality, offering features that are perfect for both urban commutes and long drives. Power, 288 horsepower. Range, 260 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds. Charging, 80% in 35 minutes with fast charging. Interior features high-end luxury materials, Mercedes M-Bucks infotainment system, and space for 7 passengers. The Mercedes-Benz EQB provides luxury, comfort, and performance, making it a perfect all-around electric SUV. The Nissan Ariya has quickly become a top contender in the electric SUV market. With its modern design and robust performance, it's a fantastic choice for those looking to transition into electric driving. The electric vehicle revolution is at its peak, with 2025 set to be a defining year for the industry. From faster charging to longer driving ranges and from groundbreaking autonomous technology to sustainable production practices, electric vehicles are no longer just a niche market, they are the future of transportation. In this video, we'll explore the key innovations in EVs for 2025, spotlight the top models, and dive into what's next for electric mobility. Tesla's Model 3 continues to be one of the world's best-selling electric vehicles, and the 2025 version is packed with improvements that enhance its performance and appeal. With Tesla's renowned autopilot technology and continuous software updates, the Model 3 remains at the cutting edge of electric cars.